So if you've never heard of helicoils, they're super nice and easy to use, and that's what we'll be doing. I just bought a new motorcycle. The threads on the primary were all fucked up. The previous owner had these 6 bolts in there, which were 6 completely different sized bolts. And every single one of the holes that all of these were in was pretty much ruined and didn't fit the factory size thread anymore. There's just a few things you need, not too much more. You'll need the new hardware you want to run. You'll need the matching helicoils for that hardware. When you buy the helicoil kit, it comes with a tap, an installer, and the helicoils themselves, and then the correct size drill. So for whichever size tap you're using, which is again included with the kit, you want to make sure you're using the exact correct size drill for metal, aluminum, blah, blah, blah. And then this is the install handle. This attaches to the bottom of the installing tool and the bottom of the tap. So this is also kind of, I'll just do a quick overview and then we'll just jump right into it. You drill the hole out to the correct size, then you tap it for the helicoil, and you put one of these threaded onto here, just like that. You install that into the hole that you just made with the tap, and then you unscrew this, and that stays behind inside the hole, and those are your new threads. The advantage of that is if this is going into an aluminum cover or any aluminum at all, these threads are steel, so they definitely are a stronger option than tapping that aluminum back out. And then you'll see that little pigtail at the back. That indicates how this goes inside the hole, with that going in first. And you can knock that out with a little pin if you need to, just depending on the application. I didn't have to take that out for what I was using them for, so I just left it in there. So I already got one done, this one here. So just to show you. There. Just like that. So now I can put all 4 of the same bolts back on. Don't have any Mickey Mouse shit. So you want to measure out how far of the drill you can go in, or you need to go in. That's what that is. That's probably the most nerve-wracking part. Drilling the hole, because you don't want to overdo it. But that hole is done. You want to take your time whenever you're tapping anything. Find the threads. Let the tap do the work. Keep going just a little bit. Come back, clean up the threads. A little bit, clean up. Okay. What I like to do is take the handle off. Pull it out nice and easy. There we go. Clean your tap off. Next one, we're going to blow this hole out. Get your install tool, grab one of the helicoils, thread it onto that. You're going to feel some resistance going in, that's totally normal. The helicoil is biting into the threads. The same handle for the tap works for the installer. And you could probably use a bolt if you didn't have this installer. There you go. Just to test it. I don't have a, I forget what he's called, but he's at the outside. There we go. It's just like sailing the ship. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, I'm sure there's someone out there that's just like cringing their fucking face off watching me drill into the primary like that.